Welcome to the Mystery Shack, gentlemen. What can I get you? Keychains? Snow globes? These rare photos of American presidents? Go to the golf course after dark, you say? I don't know, we'd have to break in and... Just kidding, let's break in!
Come on, Grunkle Stan, pick up! Oh, what is he doing?
I don't care about dukes or commoners or His Royal Highness Lionel of Cornwall. I'm not afraid anymore, Mother.
Duchess, I forbid you.
I may be a duchess, but I'm also a woman.
Yes! Yes! In your face, Elizabeth!
Wouldn't be surprised if the man of my dreams walked through that door right now.
Not good.
Family meeting! Family meeting!
No te preocupas. Vamos, vamos! What are you gonna do? Throw me in yeast stocks? I'm gonna teach this bear to drive. And the yellow light means speed up.
Grunkle Stan, are you wearing a blindfold?
Nah, but with these cataracts, I might as well be. What is that, a woodpecker?
The Gravity Falls Museum of History.
You realize what this means, Mabel? We're gonna have to break in.
And those are your free Pioneer Day passes. And your balloons, blue and pink.
We're in.
Avenge me, kids! Avenge me!
Come one, come all, to the Mattress Prince's kingdom of savings.
Take me with you.
The fishes, they seek revenge! Swim, boys, swim!
Just by smelling your breath, I can tell that you have been eating an entire tube of toothpaste?
It was so sparkly.
Solve the case yet, boy? I'm so confident you're gonna say no that I'm gonna take a long, slow sip from my cup of coffee.
Actually, the answer is yes.
They got scalded!
Would you like to eat my candy paws?
Of course, you little angel.
Mabel?
The future is in the past. Onward, Daoshiba!
Well, who wants a lammy, lammy, lammy? I do, I do. So go up and greet your mammy, mammy, mammy. Hi there, hi there. So march, march, march around the daisy.
More!
Don't you forget about the baby.
Kids, have you seen my pants?
Oh, Muse, you work in mysterious ways.
Why's your sister talking to the ceiling?
Thank you for coming. I made this sculpture with my own 2 hands. It's covered in my blood, sweat, tears, and other fluids.
Okay, so then you carry the 3 and... not again.
You'll never take me alive!
Anne, get back here!